Hi students, today in my second class, chapter wise specimen question paper for 12th standard, it is the chapter from integration part 2, which is important for 12th standard exam, that is ISC CBSE West Bengal Board in the year 2000-2021. Let's start here. There are 7 questions from the chapter integration, indefinite integral. Question number 7 to question number 13. There are 7 questions. Let's do sum number question number 7. Here question number 7. Here is 5x plus 3 by this. Let's take 5x plus 3 equals to 5x plus 3 equals to a into d dx of denominator means x square plus 4x plus 10 plus b, where b is a and b are constant. Now take comparing, that is a into 2x plus 4, differentiation of this, plus b. Now comparing with the variable x, 2a equals to 5, that is 2a equals to 5, then a is 5 by 2, keep it, and 4a plus b equals to 3, value of a 4 into 5 by 2 plus b equals to 3, then b is minus 7. Now put the value of a and b here. Now integration 5x plus 3, here 5x plus 3, this means this, that is value of a is 5 by 2, 2x plus 4 plus value of b is minus 7 by square root of x square plus 4x plus 10 dx. Now splitting this, that is 5 by 2 integration 2x plus 4 dx by square root of x square plus 4x plus 10 minus 7 integration here dx by square root of, we can write x square plus 4x plus 4 plus root 6 a whole square. We can write plus 6. Okay, now let this equal to z. X square plus 4x plus 10 equals to z. Differentiating 2x plus 4 z square. 2x plus 4 dx equals to 2z dz. Now put it here. 5 by 2, value of this is 2z dz. 2z dz by this is z square, that is only z, minus 7, this is root over of x plus 2 whole square plus root 6 whole square, that is dx. Now 2 cancel, z cancel, that is 5 dz is z, value of z is root over of x square plus 4x plus 10 minus 7. This is the formula of integration dx root over of x square plus a square equals to log of x plus root over of x square plus a square, that is the x square plus a square, that we can write log of x plus 2 plus root over of x plus 2 whole square plus 6, a square means plus 6 plus c, where c is arbitrary constant. It is x square plus a square log x, we can write bracket log x plus root over x square plus a square. Okay, that is the answer of the given integration. Next, question number 8. Question number 8. Here, integration e to the power x sine 4x, we can write 2 sine 2x cos 2x, that is 2 sine 2x cos 2x minus 4 over, this is 1 minus cos 4x is 2 sine square 2x, that is 2 sine square 2x from trigonometric. 1 minus cos 2x formula 2 sine square x, 1 minus cos 4x is 2 sine square. Now splitting this, integration e to the power x, this by this, 2 to cancel, cot 2x dx minus e to the power x, this, that is 2 is outside, 1 by, that is cosec square 2x dx. Now this is uv, integration by parts, keep it, e to the power x cot 2x dx minus 2, integration by parts, e to the power x, that is u, it is v, that is e to the power x integration cosec square 2x dx minus d dx of e to the power x integration cosec square 2x dx all over dx. Integration by parts, u integration v dx minus d dx of u, v integration v dx all over dx. Now take integration e to the power x cot 2x dx, 2 is outside, e to the power x cosec square 2 integration minus cot 2x, that is minus cot 2x, cot 2x denominator will be 2, this minus, this will be plus 2 integration e to the power x divided e to the power x, this is minus cot 2x, this is minus cot 2x by 2 dx. Now these two cancel, these two cancel. Now we can get integration e to the power x cot 2x minus plus e to the power x cot 2x, this by this plus, this will be minus e to the power x cot 2x dx. Now this and this cancelled, this plus c, where c is arbitrary constant, your final answer e to the power x cot 2x plus c, that is the answer of the given integration. Next question number 9, let's do next sum. Question number 9. Question number 9 is denominator, this is the under square root. First of all, you take minus 2x square minus 4x plus 5, taking minus 2 common, x square plus 2x minus 5 by 2, x square plus 2x minus 5 by 2 equals to minus 2 x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 1 minus 5 by 2, that is minus 2 x plus 1 whole square minus root 7 by root over of 7 by 2 whole square. We can write root over of 7 by 2 whole square. Now breaking this within second bracket, we can write 2 root over of 7 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 whole square. Now this is the minus x minus 1 whole square. Then square root of this, we can write last of all, square root of this is square root of this is square root of this. Okay, now let's do integration here, dx 1 by square root. This is, instead of this we have to write this, square root of this is square root of this. So root 2 1 by root 2 square root of 7 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 whole square. Now this is a square minus x square formula, dx root over of a square minus x square equals to sine inverse x by a, that is 1 by root 2 sine inverse x minus 1 by root over of, this is root over of 7 by 2, root over of 7 by 2 x by a, sine inverse x by a plus c. Then we can write 1 by root 2, this will be root 2 by root 7 sine inverse x minus 1. We can write this also. That is the final answer where C is arbitrary constant. Okay. Let's do next sum. Question number 10. Here, question number 10. Integration x sine inverse x root over of 1 minus x square dx. Here you have to substitute, because if you take sine inverse x equals to z, let sine inverse x equals to z, then differentiating you will get 1 by 1 minus x square dx equals to dz. Then x equals to sine z. Value of x is sine inverse x is z, then x equals to sine z. Now put it here. X is sine z. A sine inverse x is z, and 1 by this is dx is dz. That is the UV integration by parts. That is z integration sine z dz minus d dz of z integration sine z dz all over dz, integration by parts. Now sine z integration, this is z, sine z is minus cos z, minus dz by z is 1, sine z is a minus cos z, that is plus cos z dz. What is z? Z is sine inverse x. Value of z is, put it here, sine inverse x, and it is minus cos z. Sine z is this, and cos z 1 minus x z square. Sine z is this, that is cos z is root over of 1 minus sine square z, that is 1 minus x square, plus cos z integration is sine z, plus c. What is sine z? Sine z is x. We can write next step, minus sine inverse x root over of 1 minus x square, plus sine z is x, plus c, where C is arbitrary constant. That is the question number 10. Let's do now question number 11. Question number 11, we have to break tan x and cot x. Tan x is integration tan x root over of sin x by cos x, that is root over of sin x by root over of cos x, plus cot x is root over of sin x, root over of cos x over root over of sin x, that is cot x all over dx, equals to, now do addition, root over of sin x cos x, this by this, that is sin x plus cos x dx. Now we have to take sin x minus cos x equals to z. Now we have to take sin x minus cos x equals to z. Let sin x minus cos x is z. Now differentiating, we have to get numerator. So the cos x, this is minus sin plus sin x dx equals to dz. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x minus plus sin x dx. Now we got numerator. Now from here we squaring this, that is sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x equals to z square. This is 1. 1 minus z square equals to 2 sin x cos x. This by 2 is sin x cos x. So instead of root sin x cos x, we can write this. Now let's do. This is dz and root over of z square, this root over of 1 minus z square by 2. We can write this integration root 2 dz root over of 1 minus z square, root 2 dz 1 minus z square equals to root 2. This is sin inverse z formula, 1 minus z square sin inverse z dz. Now Integration of this is sin inverse z, integration of this sin inverse z plus c, sin inverse z plus c, root 2. What is sin inverse z? Value of z is sin x minus cos x plus c. That is the final answer of the given integration. Next, sum number 12. Question number 12. It is x square plus 1, x square plus 4, x square plus 25. If we take x square equals to 1, we can write, put x square equals to 1, put. This will be, x square equals to y. This will be y plus 1 by y plus 4 into y plus 25. Partial fraction, we can write this equals to a over y plus 4 plus b over y plus 25. Now multiply denominator both sides, we can get y plus 1 equals to a into y plus 25 plus b into y plus 4. Now put the value of, put y equals to minus 4. This is minus 4 plus 1 equals to a into minus 4, that is 21. Minus 4 plus 21, then a equals to 21, a equals to minus 3, then a equals to minus 1 by 7. Put the value of a is minus 1 by 7. Now putting the value y equals to minus 25, put it here, minus 25 plus 1, this is 0, this is b into minus 21. Then we can write minus 21b equals to minus 24, then b equals to 24 by 21, 3 8s are 3 7s are. And the value of b is 8 by 7. So here we got a equals to minus 1 by 7 and b equals to 8 by 7. Now put it here. Here integration x square plus 1 by x square plus 4 into x square plus 25 equals to, this equals to, a value is minus 1 by 7 x square plus 4 dx. Y means x square plus 4 and this y means x square. This equals to this plus integration b is, value of b is 8 by 7 b 1 over x square plus 25. 25 you can write 5x square, this is 2x square. This is dx, that is minus 1 by 7. Look, x square plus a square formula, tan 1 by a, tan inverse x by a, that is 1 by 2 tan inverse x by 2 plus, next one 8 by 7, that is x square plus a square, that is 1 by a tan inverse x by 5 plus c. Then we can write minus 1 by 14 tan inverse x by 2 plus 8 by 35 tan inverse x by 5 plus c. That is the final answer, where c is arbitrary constant. That is the final answer of the given integration. Next, last sum, that is sum number 13, question number 13. Here you should take x plus a equals to z. Put x plus a equals to z. Then dx equals to dz. Now put it here. Integration here sin x minus a, sin x এর value z minus a, z minus a minus a, dx এর value dz by sin z. Because sin x minus a, x is z minus a, x is z minus a. Then we can write that equals to sin z minus 2a by sin z dz. We can write sin a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, that is sin z sin a cos b minus sin a cos b minus cos a sin 2a, this by sin z, this by sin z. Integration, we can write dz here minus integration dz. Sin z cancel. Here cos 2a is constant into dz minus sin 2a is constant, integration cot z dz. Now cos 2a equals to cos 2a, dz integration is z. What is z? Z is x plus a minus sin 2a cot z integration log of sin z, that is log of sin z. Z means x plus a plus c. That is the final answer of the given integration. Okay, now please make a note of these sums, these 7 sums which are very important for 12th standard question exam. And if you like my videos, please subscribe. Okay, thank you.